Welcome to part 2. Now that you know fractions that are equivalent to 1/2, I want you to use your straight edge or your red line to find other fractions that are equivalent to 1/3, 1/4, 2/3, and 3/4. Again, how do you know that any fractions are equivalent? For example, how do you know 2/8 is equivalent to 1/4? That's because 1/4 and 2/8 are both moved the same distance from 0. Now you'll use a number line to fill in the name collection boxes for 2/3 and 3/4. Again, if you need a printable copy, you can click here. Please use the fraction posters on the previous page. Line up the red line, or again your straight edges if you're doing it on paper, and write any names of fractions that are equivalent to 2/3 or 3/4. Remember, you can continue to draw fraction bars or fraction circles to represent the equivalent fractions. When you are done, you will complete today's exit slip. Here's the question below to get your brain started. Otherwise, please click here. Here is today's exit slip. It is 3 questions long. You will complete each question and then hit submit. When you are done with your exit slip, you can be done with math for the day, or you can play this Finding the Hidden Fraction extra practice game with a sibling or a parent at home. This will help you to get more familiar with where fractions are on number lines and being able to place them correctly. If you're having trouble, don't worry. We're going to continue putting fractions on number lines for the rest of this week. We will have more practice, I promise.